Okay, so I wanted to do my nails again at home. I found kind of a look that I wanted to try. I feel like I kind of have everything. I am missing the bows or whatever, but I did order some for like maybe, you know, later on. I found this look on TikTok. A purpley color nails, kind of like nude with some butterflies, which I actually do have butterfly stickers. I'll show you guys. Where are they? Right here. So these are my butterfly stickers, and I feel like my nails are kind of long enough so they will definitely fit. Maybe not the super big ones, but definitely these smaller ones right here on top. I don't have any bows, but I do have some little cute little white flowers with little, it's like a little fake gem. Can you guys see those? So I might use something like this, and then I do have that same exact color that they used. They used a shadow, but they used something like this shade right here. But I think I might do pink, or maybe something to kind of match a little bit of the, or I might use a shade to kind of match these flowers over here. But I think I'm gonna follow that video. And then I actually do have some gems, but I kind of don't like gems on my fingers because then they fall off, and then it just gives me like anxiety, and I have to redo the whole nail. So I'd rather just not do that. We'll see what kind of looks kind of cute, but I kind of have this in mind, something like this. Probably not exact. I wish I had the little bows, but obviously I don't. But I do have other stuff, which is just kind of flowers, so whatever. And then I'm also watching like 90 Days. No, it's not 90 Day Fiance. It is After the 90 Days. I believe this is season 2. It's like so interesting, and like I like watching it, but sometimes like they make me so mad, and I'm just like yelling at them, like cussing them out, and okay, so yeah, we're gonna start. But first we gotta prep, which is like, I feel like very time consuming, but it's very crucial. You have to prep your nails, because then they're just gonna look bad, and all that work that you did is not gonna look good. But I am not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. This is like my little ghetto kit that I have going on. Yeah, I'm definitely not a professional, so whatever I do, you know, take it like a grain of salt, and you know, use it as little tips, but not exactly what you should do. But if you do have some tips, go ahead and leave them down, because I am always willing to learn new things. And I don't know, I've been really stressed, and like my eye is twitching. Like my eye is twitching, so hopefully you guys don't see my eye twitching. So I showed you guys last time in my first little like at-home nail thing, whatever. I used this Full Beauty magic remover, and this is supposed to kind of like help you remove your gel polish. I think it's a little messy, but this is what I have right now. Somebody did let me know that I should get like a little drill to kind of like file it down, which I am thinking of doing. But first I'm gonna finish this, because I already have it, and I don't like to like buy things and then not use them. So I'm gonna try to use this, then I'm gonna go and try to find a little drill on Amazon or whatever. If you get this on your skin, it's gonna burn. But it's gonna burn. So you wanna be very careful with this, because I got it like on the side of my skin, and it was like burning. So if you use anything like this, just be very careful with it. My eye's twitching. Look. To be honest, it does take a couple of coats to really remove it. You can kind of already see how long my nails have grown. It's also a sticker, so that's why it looks like that too. I am not good at all with design, so I rather just pop a sticker on it. I lost 2 nails, so these 2 right here. I had my nails pretty much long, and then this one broke, and then I was just like, should I just cut them all off and start all over? But I'm like, am I really gonna lose all my nails because I lost 2? I was like, you know what, we have acrylics, we have fake nails, so I'm gonna try to fix my middle finger one, and then this one I'm just gonna leave it because it's getting kind of long and I don't really care. I kind of like the fact that my nails like short there, but whatever. But I'm just gonna do my middle finger. It's already my right hand and I can barely do this, so I'm not even gonna try to struggle too much. So I'm just gonna do one, and I always hate the way that they look, especially on my fingers. They always look too thick and I don't like it. That's kind of why I don't like acrylics in general, because they always make my fingers look so thick. Also, I have kind of like square nails, so it already kind of looks even thicker with the acrylic and then the polish, so it just looks, in my opinion, I don't like it. At least the places that I've gotten my nails done, I am not a big fan.
I feel sad. I married someone who treats his mom so much better than he treats his own wife.
All right. For a field engineer position, it's outside of the oil and gas industry. How is it?
Oh, but, and I'm more liking it. You should be celebrating.
I'm a little hesitant.
Because
When exercise is addicted, it just depends on the person. Somebody likes to take care of themselves.
I haven't done my nails in over a month because I intentionally waited such a long time to do my nails, because I was like, if I'm doing my nails at home, it's because they have to last me longer. So I intentionally waited a little bit longer, and it is definitely time. I might cut them, trim them a bit, file them down, because they are a little too long. Like, I'm running into things, like hurting myself. So I am going to cut a little bit of it, make them a little bit shorter. Pretty much I did the base coat. I added one layer of the color, like a very nude color, and then I added a matte coat. Now I'm gonna add my color, and I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place palette, so I can use this purple right here. I did say I might use a different color, but I think I'm gonna stick with the purple. I kind of do like this purpley bluish. It looks more purple, but on camera it looks a little bit blue actually. And then in the video she kind of just add it like mostly in the center. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that looks kind of cute. I see that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing that. I'm not a big fan of how the thumb came out. I kind of thought it was but the other ones are cute. I do wish I had the bows. Look at my nail right here. I do wish I had the bows, but I did order some, so I would probably try this again. Maybe like the bows would have looked so cute right there. But this is this hand. And then I'll go ahead and add a butterfly on the middle finger, and then I'm gonna add some acrylic powder and finish this hand, and then I'll show you guys the final product.